All right, well, this is why we are learning how to do an arm sling, because the girls do stuff like this and might break their arms or their legs. All right, well, guys, so we just barely did a video about Mom breaking her leg and getting a cast on and taking the cast off. And Jenny and Julie have both broken their arms before, so everyone in this family just likes to break bones. And so I figured we would show you how to do an arm sling with, what is this?
A scarf.
It's a scarf. But did you know you can make an arm sling out of a scarf? Okay, let's make it. Okay. Would you just hold still? All right, so what you're gonna do is you're just gonna make it into a figure 8, okay? So just set it on the ground here and then make an 8 out of it. This way.
Dip way. Dip way. Dip way. A dip away.
Kind of make this end and this end about the same. And so does it look like a figure 8? Does it look like an 8? Okay, very good. And so now you're gonna get each loop right here and you're gonna fold it up on itself, okay? And now it has a little hole through it. Can you see the little hole? And that's where the person is gonna stick their arm. So stick your arm through that, your broken arm, okay? Now you can kind of just pull to where it's not gonna hurt their arm, but pull it kind of tight so you have a little more slack on it, okay? Now once you do that, you have these two ends, and then you just come back here and tie. You can tie a granny knot, you can tie a square knot, just whatever, and you just tie a knot on it, okay?
Ow! You're pulling all.
So now you got your scarf, and it's also an arm sling. Very good. Also, you can use a blanket. So you want to use kind of a thin blanket. This is more of like a long washcloth. And how you're going to do that is just set it on the ground. And you're going to want one that's perfectly square, because you want to go from one corner to the other like that, because you want to make this long. So now we're going to hold on to that broken arm girl, pull it tight, and then just wrap it,
And then swing it around.
No, you don't need to swing around. We tried that before and it doesn't work as well. See how it looks a lot longer now? And then you can just make this into a figure 8. And once you make that into a figure 8, you just do the exact same thing as you would with the scarf. And that's how you do an arm sling with a scarf and a blanket.
But I don't like a blanket because this one's more like comfortable. Mine's more like dumb.
The scarf is more comfortable, she says.
Yeah.
She asked when the video's over. I think it's over right now. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you learned how to do a scarf or a sling with a scarf. And on our next video, Julie, she's only 6 years old. And you know what this is? What is it, Julie?
A razor.
It's a razor to cut hair. And I'm going to let Julie, a 6-year-old girl, cut my hair however she wants.
Oh,
So,
and I think I'm going to go on a mohawk.
a mohawk. All right, well, stay tuned for that and look forward to that video, and we'll see you next time. All
And
right.
see what I do on his hair. I might change my mind on the mohawk.
Okay. All right, bye.
Bye.